You built a RAG pipeline. It answered questions in the demo beautifully. Your manager loved it. Then it went to production and started hallucinating in front of real users. Here's the part nobody tells you. Most teams ship LLM apps with zero evaluation. No metrics, no baselines, just vibes. That's not engineering. That's gambling. Today I'm going to show you exactly how architects evaluate their LLMs and the framework that makes it automatic. Let me ask you something. How do you currently test your LLM output? If your answer is, I read it and it seems right, you have a problem. Human evaluation doesn't scale. It's inconsistent, and it misses the subtle hallucinations. The ones where the answer sounds confident but the facts are fabricated. This is why evaluation frameworks exist. They give you numbers instead of feelings. Repeatable numbers. There are 3 things you need to evaluate in any RAG system. Did you retrieve the right context? Retrieval quality. Is the answer grounded in that context? Faithfulness. Does it actually answer the question? Answer: relevance. Miss any one of these and your system is broken in a way you can't see from the outside. This is where RAGAs comes in. RAGAS. It's an open source framework, and it's the closest thing we have to a unit test suite for LLM pipelines. RAGAS gives you 4 core metrics out of the box. Let me break each one down in 30 seconds or less. 1. Faithfulness. What percentage of claims in the answer are actually supported by the retrieved context? If your LLM is adding information that isn't in the documents, this score drops. This catches hallucinations. 2. Answer relevancy. Is the generated answer actually addressing what the user asked? A factually correct but off-topic answer scores low here. 3. Context precision. Of the chunks you retrieved, how many were actually relevant? If you're stuffing irrelevant context into the prompt, you're wasting tokens and confusing the model. 4. Context recall. Did you retrieve all the relevant information? Missing a critical chunk means your answer is incomplete, even if everything else is perfect. These 4 metrics together give you a complete picture. Retrieval quality on one axis, generation quality on the other. You can now diagnose where your pipeline is failing instead of guessing. RAGAS is your evaluation layer, but architects don't stop there. Here's the full stack. Layer 1. Unit tests. Test your chunking logic, your embedding pipeline, your prompt templates. Standard software testing. If you're not doing this, start here. Layer 2. RAGAS evaluation. The 4 metrics we just covered. Run these on a curated test data set. 50 to 100 question-answer pairs from your actual domain. Layer 3. LLM-as-Judge. Use a stronger model like GPT-4 to grade outputs from your production model. Frameworks like DeepEval and Langsmith support this natively. Layer 4. Human in the loop. For high-stakes domains, medical, legal, finance, you still need human review. But now humans are reviewing flagged outputs, not everything. The key insight: you don't pick one layer, you stack them. Cheap automated tests catch 80% of issues. Expensive human review catches the last 20% that actually matters. Here's what I want you to do this week. Not next month, this week. 1. Build a test data set. 50 questions your RAG system should answer correctly. Include the expected answers and source documents. 2. Run RAGAs. Pip install RAGAS. Point it at your test set. Look at the 4 scores. 3. Find the weakest metric. Low faithfulness? Your model is hallucinating. Low context recall? Your retrieval is broken. The metric tells you where to fix. That's it. 3 steps. You go from "I think it works" to "I can prove it works." That's the difference between a user and an architect. Most people ship AI apps and pray. Architects ship with a scorecard. If this changed how you think about LLM testing, hit subscribe. I break down AI engineering concepts like this every week. No fluff, no hype, just the stuff that actually matters in production. I'll see you in the next one.